Hello everyone, I am Kaji Mahmudul Hassan Khadem from Civil and Environmental Engineering Department, North-South University. Today, I will show you the experiment resistance to degradation of small size pore segregate by abrasion and impact of the Los Angeles machine. Aggregates used in the surface layer of the road pavement are subjected to wear due to vehicle moving over it. The friction between the moving tire and the road surface results in abrasion of the aggregates. This effect is further enhanced due to the presence of dust particles on the road surface. Therefore, the aggregate should bear enough resistance against abrasion. This property is evaluated by abrasion value test. Various types of tests can be used for determining the abrasion value. There are number 1, Los Angeles abrasion value test, number 2, Devil abrasion test, and number 3, Dory abrasion test. In this experiment, I will determine Los Angeles abrasion value of aggregates. STM and H2 has standardized this test and defined the acceptable limits. Now, I will show you the required apparatus for this test. Los Angeles abrasion machine. It has a hollow steel cylinder closed at both ends. Its inside diameter is 700 mm and inside length is 500 mm. Cylinder is mounted on a stub shaft about which can drum rotates about horizontal axis. There is an opening in the cylinder for the introduction of the stone sample with a removable cover which can be closed and bolted dust tight. A steel shelf projecting radially is provided for the full length. The shelf is placed at a distance of minimum 1250 mm from the opening in the direction of rotation. The charged shell consists of steel spheres averaging approximately 46.8 mm in diameter and each weighing between 390 gram to 445 gram. 12 such balls should be available for the test. Their number is dependent on the type of grading used. Electronic balance machine, capacity 5 to 10 kg and accuracy 1 gram or better. Test sieves. The size is 1.7 mm and the other sieve size is depend on the grading selected. The aggregate used for the test comprised of grading as specified in this table. The selection of grading is dependent on its designated use. For example, if we conducting the test using grading B, therefore we shall require sieve of 19 mm, 12.5 mm and 9.5 mm. A total of 2.5 kg of material passing 19 mm sieve and retain it on 12 mm sieve. And also 2.5 kg material passing 12.5 mm sieve and retained on 10 mm sieve. First of all, dry the material in an oven maintain 105 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. Take the material out and allow it to cool in room temperature. Now measure the exact quantity of the material as per the grading specified and note down the exact weight of sample. The weight is 2500 grams. This weight is 2500 grams. Corresponding to the selected grading, take the abrasive charge. For grading B, we need 11 balls. Before starting, ensure that the cylinder is clean from inside. Now, place the aggregate sample along with the abrasive charge in the cylinder. Allow the machine to run at the speed of 30 to 33 rpm for 500 revolutions. Now start the machine. During the movement of aggregates are subject to abrasion by the steel ball. They also rub against each other, which is known as attrition. The aggregates and the steel balls detained by the shell fall when they reach top, thereby resulting in the impact. Thus both the abrasion and impact occur during the test. Now open this steel cover. Now down the sample below this tray. Now take the materials in 1.7 mm sieve. Now place it to shaker machine. These particles are passing by 1.7 mm sieve. Now sieve these all materials by same procedure by 1.7 mm sieve. Weight of fraction passing is 1291 grams. Abrasion value is weight of fraction passing by 1.7 mm sieve divided by weight of total material into 100 is equal to 1291 divided by 5000 into 100 is equal to 25.8%. The sample tested here has found to be well within the limits. Therefore, we can conclude that this sample is suitable for construction. Thank you everyone for watching this experiment video.